Sometimes it begins with a fan spinning a little louder than usual, or a terminal window sitting open while you wonder how much your local machine can really handle. That curiosity is what pulls many people into running large language models locally, and that is exactly where Ollama and Llama.cpp start to separate themselves, not by what they can run, but by how they want you to think about running it. Ollama feels like an invitation. You install it, type a simple command, and suddenly a model is running as if it was always meant to be there. The experience is smooth, opinionated, and clearly designed to remove friction. Models are pulled, managed, and updated with minimal effort, and that simplicity bridges experimentation with productivity. Ollama does not ask you to understand every technical detail up front, which makes it incredibly attractive for developers who want fast results without wrestling with low-level configuration. It feels modern, friendly, and surprisingly powerful for how little it demands from the user. Llama.cpp takes a very different stance, and it does so unapologetically. It is close to the metal, focused on performance, portability, and efficiency. Written in C++, it allows models to run on everything from high-end GPUs to modest CPUs, and that flexibility comes from careful optimization rather than abstraction. Using Llama.cpp often means compiling, tweaking parameters, and understanding how quantization affects memory and speed. That process connects you directly to how inference actually works, and for many users, that control is the entire point. What makes this comparison interesting is how often these tools overlap in capability while diverging in philosophy. Ollama frequently uses backends inspired by projects like Llama.cpp, yet it wraps them in a developer-friendly workflow. Llama.cpp, meanwhile, stays focused on being a foundation, something other tools can build on top of. In that way, they are not enemies so much as different layers of the same ecosystem, each serving a distinct role. For someone exploring local models for the first time, Ollama feels like the obvious choice. It lowers the barrier to entry and keeps momentum high, which matters when curiosity is fresh. For someone optimizing deployments, experimenting with hardware limits, or embedding inference into custom systems, Llama.cpp becomes indispensable. It rewards patience with insight and insight with performance. Choosing between them is really about how you prefer to learn and build. And eventually, whether you typed one clean command or compiled everything yourself, you find yourself reading model output on your own machine, realizing that local AI stopped being a curiosity and quietly became part of your workflow.